Welcome to this tutorial, where we will guide you through how Publer works and how we can schedule posts on social media. To create a Publer account, first go to the Google website and search for Publer.io. You'll be seamlessly redirected to the account creation page. From here, simply sign up for free. To sign up, you have to add a valid email address here. I will sign up with Google from here. Upon clicking, you will be redirected to the Publer homepage. First, you have to add your social media account, for which you have to click on Add Account at the bottom of the page. On this page, you will find all the social media accounts that you want to manage with the help of Publer. Here, you have to consider one thing: you have to use the same email on which your social media account was created. I want to continue with the TikTok account from here. Click TikTok to go to the next step. From here, simply click Authorize. In the next step, click on the Connected button. After that, click on Continue for the next. You can see that your social media account has been added. From here, upload any social media file by clicking Drag and Drop Media. In this phase, you can edit your privacy. You can see some options shown at the bottom of this page, like Draft, Publish, and Schedule. Click the Schedule button to schedule your post. Select your date and time from here when you want to upload the post. Click on the schedule. Click the post at the left of the page. From here, you can reschedule your post. You can change your date by clicking on the Calendar button. Similarly, you can also change your media file after clicking on Up Media Library. Click on Social Media Account and also add the account of the social media platform you want to manage. If you require any assistance with your business, check out jovisocial.com. For SEO services, visit precisioneseo.com. Let's elevate your business together. Subscribe to the Jovis Social YouTube channel for more insightful videos. Let's grow your business together. Thanks for watching.